So a client ordered for a 360 wig, so I decided to share it with you in order to answer all the questions from the previous video. Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So in today's video, it's just to answer some of the questions you were asking. That one had a poor audio, and some were like, can you edit it and remove the audio and all that? Well, I don't think there is a way to edit audio when you've posted on YouTube. Please, if you know, share with me. I want to know. So what I explained in the previous video that had a poor audio was that the 360 Swiss lace, you can get it from the market. I got this from Trade Fair, I think for 1,500, but the price changes though. I don't know the recent price now. So what you're going to do is that you place it on a canvas head. I advise that you should use a canvas head on the previous video, that it will make the Swiss lace to sit properly while you work on it. So what you're going to do, there is a part that has the band. That part should be inside and not outside. And when you are ventilating, don't ventilate on the band. So you're just going to start from the back. You will start from one side. Don't ventilate from the back, or you leave the back, jump to the middle. No. In the other video, I said that this 360 is in 3 sections: the back part, the middle, and the frontal part. You can also watch that one to understand what I'm saying. So before you start, you're going to count about 10 lines. From the back, you count 10 lines up to the side of the band, that brown part. Then you start ventilating. So for this one now, on the straight line, we are going to ventilate on the straight line. You're going to ventilate, you pick a 2-strand of hair on a hole, then you skip one hole. You repeat same, you skip one line, ventilate on one hole, skip the one hole, and ventilate on the next hole. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so you're just going to go ahead and just ventilate. Okay, so someone was asking what method I used. I used the single knot method. Okay, single knot method. So on the vertical line, I ventilated on 6 lines, while on the horizontal line, I ventilated on 8 lines. Do you understand? If you want the size of the braid to be bigger, you can go ahead and ventilate according to the size you want. But for this particular one, this is the size the client wanted me to ventilate for her. So if you have any other question that I have not answered, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. Or if you have any contribution, please drop it at the comment section. Okay, and I will attend to all your questions. And to all my amazing subscribers, you guys are the boss. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. And if you are here to subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free. Don't be stingy. Go ahead, subscribe and support your girl. All right, thank you so much, and I love you guys.
Kamzara's TV. Kanzaras TV.
If you're a beginner, don't use a human hair to ventilate. You should rather use a braiding hair, because it's very difficult to use a human hair. Look at the way it's looking, because it's unraveling. As you're doing it, it will be unraveling. It's difficult to use. So I'll advise you start with a braiding hair. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.
Kanzaras TV.